Welcome students. This is 8th lecture of second chapter, that is energy resources. Unit outcomes are select appropriate solution of efficient use of energy and state impacts of overuse of natural resources. Overuse of natural resources, we derive numerous useful substances from natural resources, but when need turns into greed, it starts over exploitation. Impacts of overuse of natural resources on environment. First impact is deforestation, second is desertification, third is soil erosion, fourth is landslide, fifth is extinction of species. These are the depletion of natural resources. First is deforestation. It is the clearance of forest by logging and or by burning. Trees absorb greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide and produce the oxygen we breathe. Forests are the habitats of millions of species. Causes of deforestation. First is construction of roads, second is mining, third is hydroelectric projects. Fourth cause of deforestation is forest fires. Now see, what are the effects of deforestation? The loss of trees and all other vegetation can cause climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops and flooding, increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Now second one is desertification. Desertification, it is the process by which the fertile land becomes desert. Causes for the origin of man-made deserts. First is removal of trees. Second is modern methods of agriculture instead of more traditional. Over-exploitation of fertile soil, particularly in areas of low rainfall, by cultivating cash crops. Effects of desertification. It reduces the ability of land to support life, affecting wild species, domestic animals, agricultural crops and people. The reduction in plant cover results in drought, leads to accelerated soil erosion by wind. Soil erosion. It is the washing or blowing away of the top layer of the soil. What are the causes of soil erosion? First cause of soil erosion is rainfall. Raindrops directly strike the soil surface and detach the soil particles. Second is wind. Transportation of soil and sand particles by wind is the best seen in deserts and along the seashore. Third cause of soil erosion is biotic factors, overgrazing by cattle, cutting down of trees, agricultural activities, construction of buildings and laying of roads. What are the effects of soil erosion? First effect of soil erosion is it washes away the nutrient in soil, resulting in infertility of soil. It has led to increased pollution and sedimentation in streams and rivers, clogging these waterways. Degraded lands are also often less able to hold on to water, which can worsen flooding. See the diagram. Now fourth is landslides. It is the movement of rock, earth or debris down a slope section of land. Causes of landslide. First cause is rain, second is cyclone, third is earthquakes, fourth is volcanoes, fifth is unsafe mining activities. Effects of landslides are, first is the cost to repair structures, loss of property value, disruption of transportation routes, medical cost in the event of injury, loss of timber, water availability. Extinction of species. Extinction occurs when species are diminished because of environmental forces. For example, Formation clouded leopard. These are the extinction species. Causes of extinction of species is habitat fragmentation, natural disaster, decline in population, number due to poor reproduction, overexploitation of species for human use. Effects of extinction of species: use. Extinction can also impact population of prey, which can cause dramatic ecosystem and food web changes. These are the example of extinction of species: Pyrenean ibex and passenger pigeon.